Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month we're teaching you a very practical phrase, something that you would say to praise someone when they're beautiful, or if you go somewhere and it's beautiful, 就是好漂亮啊。东江 OK 这个月真的好漂亮，因为有桐花可以赏。You know what's beautiful? The tongue flower blossom this month. So let's teach you phrases about this. 而且呢，我们这个月很希望大家可以到苗栗公馆去赏花，对不对？好，我们带大家到苗栗公馆，然后可能会说到的对话，我们来教一下好了，好不好 ，Alice？ OK， 春假你要去哪里玩呢？ That means spring break. Where are you gonna go? 春假。爱去
奈味了
啊，奈味了，张来了，都是要去哪里玩呢？
就是要去哪里玩咯。
OK，
春假爱去奈味了。
好的，春假就是 spring break 春假的意思了嘛哈。那我们这个月呢，希望大家可以到苗栗公馆来赏桐花。我去苗栗公馆赏桐花怎么说呢？
爱去苗栗公馆欣赏桐花。
欣赏桐花。
爱去苗栗公馆欣赏桐花。
我们都知道桐花就是桐花，欣赏就是欣赏的意思咯。
对
，OK。
那苗栗，我们的海陆腔叫做苗栗，
哈哈哈，感觉很多喵喵的猫会出现的苗栗。OK， 对，
苗栗。
That's a different dialect for saying the county 苗栗, and him song again means to enjoy, to watch these tongue-flower blossoms. 那听说啊，那边的桐花开的真的好漂亮啊！把这几个句子呢也教出来吧。
OK， 唐贡，幾位嘅桐花，開到東江，唐貢幾位嘅桐花，開到東江。
哎呀，東江我们就在教了嘛，就是好漂亮啊。然後開到就是开起来，对不对 ？Blossom。OK， 開到 means blossom。然后听说叫做
唐貢，
天狼贡的对啦。
对啦，
八卦都是唐贡来的。
我没有啊。
All right, let's review some of these terms. Spring break 春假，春假 ，and then 苗栗公馆，and 听说 I heard。唐贡 and it's all about saying it's so beautiful, and it really is, okay? 好漂亮啊。
東江
and now you know, go visit 公馆, have fun, and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
漢字四張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.